To really get why Figure AI's work is such a game changer, we have to look at the massive paradigm shift happening in industrial automation right now. Look, traditional industrial robots are absolutely incredible machines, but they're literally bolted to the floor. They're designed to do one single task with extreme precision over and over again. Figure's humanoids completely flip the script on that. These are general-purpose machines built to operate in our world in human environments. They can walk around, carry parts across a massive facility, actually manipulate standard human tools. And this is the absolutely crucial part: collaborate safely right alongside us. It's a huge leap from a fixed piece of machinery to a truly mobile, flexible worker. The real magic here is how abstract AI software is being translated into direct, physical action. Powered by some seriously advanced AI models, the Figure 3 has gotten massive upgrades in reasoning and vision. I mean, it actually understands natural language instructions and can identify objects in real time. Just think about that. You combine that kind of brain power with huge physical upgrades in dexterity and speed, and suddenly you have a machine that can execute really complex manufacturing tasks with almost zero human supervision. And the ultimate goal of all these incredible upgrades comes down to this one idea: the ability to adapt to changing production environments. Think about it like this. If a traditional bolted-down robot expects a car door to be in one exact spot, and it's even just 2 inches off, the whole machine halts. Error. But the Figure 3, because it uses real-time AI vision, it simply sees that something's slightly off, adapts on the fly, and just gets the job done anyway. You might be wondering, how does all this cutting-edge tech survive contact with reality? Well, BMW is actually already testing Figure humanoids inside its real-world manufacturing facilities. They're starting them out on the basics: repetitive material handling, moving heavy components between workstations, and generally just supporting day-to-day production line operations. Is it unglamorous? Yeah, for sure. But these tasks are absolutely vital to keeping a massive automotive plant running smoothly.